Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's see our next question. The question states that the acceleration due to gravity on Earth's surface at the poles is g and the angular velocity of the Earth about its axis passing through the pole is omega. An object is weighed at the equator and at a height h above the poles by using a spring balance. If the weights are found to be same, then h is, and the given points here are h is very less than r, where r is the radius of the earth. Please take 5 seconds to understand this question well. I will continue solving this question after 5 seconds. Let's look into the solution now. We are given with the that the gravity on the earth's surface is g, and we know that if the weight is same at the pole and at the height h, then g1 is equals to g2. To calculate g1, we will use the formula g minus r omega square, and g2 as g multiplied by 1 minus 2h upon r. And also because g1 and g2 are equal, we will equate these two equations, and then the value obtained is g minus 2gh upon r, and this value is equals to r omega square. From this we will be calculating the value of h. So the value of h will come out to be r square omega square upon 2g. Now we will see which of the following options given above is perfect match of the obtained answer. We can see clearly that the option number 4 matches the obtained answer. So we can see that to this question the correct option is option 4. I hope you understood this question well. Thank you. See you in the next question.